Hi everybody, in this video, let's look at some questions from your Form 4 Ag Math Chapter 10, Index Number. This question is taken from SPM 2022, Paper 2, Section C. Table 2 shows the information related to 4 ingredients used to produce the types of biscuit. So we have 4 ingredients here, P, Q, R, S, and these are their prices in the years of 2019 and 2021. And these are the weightages. Given that the price index of ingredient P for the years 2021 based on the year 2019 is 130. So now we are focusing on ingredient P. Okay, so how do we find, we want to find the value of Z. Try to think, how do we get the price index for the ingredient P for the years 2021 based on the year 2019? So we will take this. Now, given by the questions, the index, the price index for this ingredient P is equal to, this is 2021, I just write 21, 21 based on 2019. Okay, given by the question, the index, the price index is 130. So what does this 130 means? It means that the prices increase 30%. Now, so Z on the top, the base year, the price for the base year at the bottom here as the denominator of the fraction, times 100, you will get 130. Okay, so how do we get Z? So Z is equal to 130 divided by 100 times 15. Okay, so just press your calculator. The answer is 19.5. Okay, so Z is equal to 19.5. Now let's go to the part 2. The price index of ingredient Q. Now we are focusing on ingredient Q. The price index of ingredient Q for the years 2021 based on the year 2019 is 140. This means that increases 40%. Okay, the price per kilogram of ingredient Q in the years 2019 is 6 ringgit, less than its corresponding price in the years of 2021. Okay, so now 2019 is 6 ringgit less than the price in the year 2021. If this is Y, this is 6 ringgit less than this, so it will be Y minus 6. Okay, so we know that X is equal to Y minus 6 ringgit less than the price in the year 2021. Okay, and then we try to think, how do we get the price index of ingredient Q for the years 2021 based on the year 2019? This is for ingredient Q. This is given by the quotient 140. How could we get this price index? Okay, Y on the top of X times 100 is equal to 140, right? But now we have two unknown over here. We don't want two unknown exist at the same time. So I'm going to try to change it to become one unknown. Now, since I know that X is equal to Y minus 6, so I'm going to replace the X by Y minus 6. So Y over Y minus 6 times 100 is equal to 140. Okay, so Y over Y minus 6, Y over Y minus 6 is equal to 140 divided by 100, which is equal to 1.4. Okay, now Y is equal to 1.4 times this whole thing. Just do some expansion over here. Okay, 1.4 times 6. Okay, 8.4. Now, I'm going to group the Y together. Negative 8.4 I'm going to bring to another side, become 8.4. And this 1.4 Y I just copy, positive Y, bring it to another side, become minus Y. Okay, this 8.4 is equal to 0.4y. From here we know that y is equal to 8.4 divided by 0.4. Okay, y is equal to 21. So we have gotten the value of y. Okay, let me write down. Y is equal to 21. So can you get x? No problem, right? Since we know x is 6 ringgit less than this, y minus 26, y minus 6. So y is equal to 21, 21 minus 6. So x is equal to 15. Okay. So this is equal to 15. Now let's look at part B. Given that the composite index to produce the biscuit for the years 2021 based on the year 2019 is 132. Okay, express P in terms of Q. So how do we find the composite index? We need to find all the price index for each ingredient, right? So this one, let me write over here. This is a price index for the year 2021 based on 2019. Okay, for ingredient P given by the quotient, which is equal to 130, right? Okay, 130. For ingredient Q is 140. Okay, but these two we don't have the index, the price index. So we need to find ourselves for ingredient R. Ingredient R. Okay, so the price index 2021 based on 2019 is equal to 12 over 7.5 times 100. Just press your calculator. 12 over 7.5 times 100. So it's equal to 160. Okay, so this is for ingredient R. 160. Okay, let's go to the last one, which is ingredient S. So again, we are going to take 8.8 over 8 times 100. Is equal to 110. 110. Okay, now we can use all this information to help us to form an equation. Given by the questions, the composite index for the years 2021 based on 2019 is equal to 132. How do we get this one? So we take the weightage times the index number, 5 times 130 plus 140 times P, or you can write P times 140, the same thing. So I will just write 140P plus 160Q plus 3 times 110, and then divided by the sum of the weightage will be 5 plus P plus Q plus 3. This will be equal to the composite index, which is given by the question 132. So the question asks us to express P in terms of Q, means that we want to isolate the P. Okay, so 5 times 130, this will be 650. Okay, this one I just copy first. This is 330. Okay, so this whole thing I'm going to bring up here. 132 times 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and P plus Q. Okay, our purpose is to isolate the P because we want to express P in terms of Q. Okay, 650 plus 330. These two add up together, you will get 980. The rest, copy first. Okay, 132 times 8, 1056 plus 132P plus 132Q. Okay, so now I copy 140p, and this 132p bring to another side, become minus 132p. Okay, so this one I copy first. Here I also copy. And then this I'm going to move to another side, become minus. This I'm going to move to another side, become minus. Okay, so this is 8p. And okay, this one just press our calculator. 1056 minus 980, you will get 76. And 132q minus 160 minus 28q. Okay, so we are almost there. 76 minus 28q divided by 8. Okay, so here let me do some factorize the 4 out. Okay, this is 8, just copy, and then I can simplify this, divided by 4, divided by 4. So okay, 19 minus 7q over 2. Okay, so this is a we have expressed p in terms of q. This is the answer for part B. Now let's go to the last part. The price of the biscuit in the year 2019 is 40 ringgit. The prices of all ingredients have increased by 20% from the year 2021 to the year 2022. So now we have 3 years here, 2019, 2021, and 2022. Find the selling price of the biscuit in the year 2022 if the company targeting a profit of 15%. So first we need to know the cost of making this biscuit first in the year of 2022. Then by using this profit of 15%, then we will be profit of 15% means that we have to times 115 over 100. So let me show you here. Now, so I have 3 years here, 2019, 2021, and 2022. Okay, so the composite index for the year 2021 based on 2019 is the 132. Okay, let me copy down first. So how about here? Since the question tells you that increase by 20%, so here will be 120. Okay, and the question tells you that the cost of making this biscuit in the year of 2019. So this is okay, so now we need to know the composite index of 2022 for the year 2022 based on 2019. And we know the price. I think this is not the price. I think it should be the cost of making the biscuit. This is 40 ringgit. Okay, so we need to know also the cost in the year 2022. Then by using that, I'm going to, and 15% of profit, I'm going to we are able to find the selling price. Okay, now, so I showed you before, right, in the previous video, 2 methods to help us to get this composite index. So I'm going to use a faster method. Take this times this divided by 100. Okay, 132 times 120 divided by 100. You will get 158.4. Okay, so now, how do we get this one? We take the price, the cost in the years of 2022. I don't know, I just let it be, okay, let's say be C for the cost. Over this, times 100 will give us this, 158.4. Okay, so C is equal to 158.4 divided by 100 times 40. Okay, so the C is 158.4 divided by 100 times 40. Okay, So it will be 63.36. So since we are targeting a profit of 15%, so the selling price will be 63.36 times 115 over 100, 15% of the profit. Okay, so I just round off to 2 decimal places. The answer is 72 ringgit 86 cent. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.